Drivers are now installed. Now it's asking for restart. Let's do. Okay, once you have opened the downloaded system, just install the storage system. It will take time. I'll be back once it's done. As you can see, it's installing. It will take a little bit of time. Once install, we go back to this page and we refresh it. So let it install first. Okay, now it's installed. We don't have to open it. We just go to the page and we just refresh this page. As you can see, it's searching. In case you can't find it, just reboot the system and then go back to this page. I think so it's not found it. Okay, after reboot, we are back on this page. There you can see my model is detected. Now I click on it. And there you can see my model is assigned for check for automatic drivers. If you can't understand which drivers you need, you just click on automatic updates. So just try again. It will process on this bar and try to install the drivers. Further, we will just install them manually. I'll be back once it's done. See, my progress bar is working. And there you can see I'm on 90%. Let's see what this will find. These plug your system adapter. Okay, we have BIOS update, we have chipset update, network update, chipset video, and many more. So what we have to do is download and install and make sure we plug power to this flash. To flash the BIOS, and you can see here low is required. The charger. So let's plug the charger. Okay, as you can see, my drivers are almost downloaded. And few hours in installing. After that, system will reboot. Drivers are now installed. Now it's asking for restart. Let's restart. And in the duration, what happened to my camera? Okay. In that duration, it will flash the BIOS as well. So wait for the flash. Here my BIOS is flashing. You can see. Don't unplug your power during this process, else your device can be pushed. You can unplug your USB, but don't unplug your power. Power means your adapter. Once it's done, it will reboot and boot to normal mode. You can check the drivers again on your site. After a long spin, we are back and booting on to normal mode. Seems that it's Windows 11, but outside it's booting like Windows 10. Maybe it's our version of that. And you can see we are back here. The notification your Wi-Fi is on. Security features. Okay. Let's go to device manager. Check whether we have driver installed. Okay, you are in sync. So we run the process again. And like others, this will be reboot. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. Love you all.